Hey everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on this channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to log out of Snapchat. If this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you stick till the end and let's get right into it. To log out of your Snapchat app, first head over to the Bitmoji or your profile section, which is on the top left. From here, you'll see this interface. Tap on the settings icon or this gear icon on the top right. From this page, all you need to do is scroll down to the bottom of the page where you'll have an option of logout. Just tap on logout and a menu will open up, and tap on logout. Now your account of Snapchat will be logged out, but however your profile will still be visible and you can just tap on login and log into your account. If you don't want that to happen, you can tap on remove account and tap on yes. This way you'll be logged out of your Snapchat. Your account also will be completely removed. So that was the quick process of logging out of Snapchat. Give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video helpful. I'll be soon back with more informative videos similar to this. Thanks for watching.